Good morning. Here's the agenda for Tuesday. I realized this morning I didn't send one out for Monday, so I'm sorry. Here is the agenda that we have for today. I have a video from an earthquake in Haiti in 2010. It was quite a large earthquake and very impactful on the region. So there's just a quick video that we'll watch and discuss what we see in terms of its impact on critical systems, infrastructure, and the people. And we started this yesterday in my afternoon classes, country profile project. I put it into your classroom. You should be able to create your Google slide right in the assignment part. So where it says add or create, you're just going to select create a slide and follow the requirements for the profile, which is in the doc. It is due on Wednesday. I can bump that back a little bit for you if you haven't had a chance to start on it yet. Here is the doc, the requirements for the country profile. So you may choose one country from either Central America or the Caribbean. And you're going to create a slideshow. Each one of these main bullet points, so there's 8 of them, needs to have a separate slide. So a title slide, a map slide, a slide that describes the physical geography, and a slide that would give us a person not living in the country, something that they would do within that nation. You need to have a slide dedicated to the people, the government, their economy, and recreation. So what people there do for enjoyment. Some of the requirements for the slides, each one of these main bullet points needs to have its own separate slide. You can add an additional one if you need to. Every slide should have at least one image. And the descriptions need to be in your own words, so don't copy and paste or copy and type. Take your information, read it, analyze it, and then summarize it into your own words. So we're practicing that skill. The location that I am asking students to gather their information from is from Culturegrams. And to get there, I think it's just easiest just to type Culturegrams in there in your address bar and click on it up here. So say online.culturegrams.com. And I guess mine didn't show up, but you'll have to type in, there I am, I couldn't find myself. You'll have to type in our username and password. Our user, if you don't have it saved. The username is 4149MOCFVM, and the password is NWAEA. Once you're into Culturegrams, click on World Edition, and then either select your country. Let's just say I chose Haiti, or you can click on it on the map. And then Culturegrams really is wonderful because they'll lay out on the side here much of the content that we need and any other additional information that you think would be helpful to add to your slide to create your profile. They do have country reports, slideshows, and photo galleries, and famous people and recipes. So there's a lot of fun information on here. And you may certainly use and take what is on there to apply to your own country profile. Okay, I think that summarizes what we're doing in these next today and then tomorrow to be due. On Thursday, sorry, I'm kind of throwing a lot at you because I forgot my video yesterday. Thursday there'll be a quiz over Chapter 5, Section 1. And Section 1 covered physical geography, earthquakes and volcanoes, and then what we'll cover on Wednesday, which is the rainforest and possibly saving the turtles. So stay tuned. I'll try to do a better job of getting videos to you and making sure everything is updated in your classroom. Hope you're doing well. Let me know if you have any questions and I can help you. Bye.